Lilies, we need to have emergency meeting because what was that? That was very, very wrong. That is uncalled for. Hey, sunscreen.
I cannot play the music here, but it was one of her songs saying Tina said Tandana, something like that. Guys, it was bad. It was bad.
For the first time in the history of universe, Liema is trending for all the bad reasons. They did my girl dirty. They did Liema dirty. I don't wanna lie. Let's just start with the outfit. Who made that choice? You know, Liema always wear things that are so sexy, but they actually make her pop more. They actually make her look young. But that one looked like an outfit that you did yourself at high school just for high school performance. You know what I mean? The creative art class, those who are doing creative arts, art and culture, if you still remember, it looked like that. And who made that decision? Who said, yes, I approve, this is good for you to go to stage with? Arrest that person, please. Next time, I believe that you have to work with what you have. Liema is a full-figured woman. She's not Tyler, she's not Shakira, she's not Beyonce. She is Liema. You have to work with what Liema is having. Let's go to the choice of the songs. Guys, I get you are performing your song, you have to promote them, but you are in Limpopo, you are in Venda. The culture and the type of music that people listen to in Limpopo is Master KG, is Munaza, is Lekompo, is Makazi, is Pleasure Chamanyalo. That music has one thing in common: high in energy, high paced, and actually you are super active. Of which Liema did the right thing by having like that energy when going into stage. I don't know if that was the last minute decision saying that now I'm gonna be high energy, but the songs, they are more silk, they are more sultry. You know, Liema is a pop girl like Tyler, Rihanna. You know, you don't dance, you just move your body like you're making money, right? To me, I was like, this was simple. You go with the DJ, you make a mix, you do high tempo so that you can match with the beat. Currently, whatever that happened in Venda should not repeat itself anywhere. Or what they need to do, something that I was talking about, that Liema needs a new management that will pick a genre that suit her. Because let me tell you something that I think is unpopular opinion, but actually is happening with Liema. The kind of music that she makes does not suit her character and her personality. She has a good voice. You know, some social media user said that, I'll put the post here, that with her voice, she can go far. Like, that's undisputed thing. But what they're doing to her, with her voice, her energy, and then sing those songs, she's not a pop girl. She wants to sing Amapiano. Give her a chance to do Amapiano. She wants to be a house. Give her a chance to do that. She can be the next Busiswa. She can be the next Lebo Matosa. But if we keep boxing her into what people they want you to be, she won't be alright. I was so sad for her. You know, and let me tell you something. The energy of the artist will feed off from the audience. If the artist does not give the energy, the audience will just keep it like, we don't care if we know you or we don't know you. Makazi, we didn't know Makazi. But whenever Makazi was going to perform at Texarang, it was filled up because of the energy. It was in Limpopo. I don't know in KZN, I don't know anywhere, but I know in Limpopo, propaganda and most of the clubs in Pretoria, if you come with that low energy, nobody's gonna dance for you or your music. It's the truth. So next time, Liema's team, work with the DJ. You know who's going to be playing the sets, work with them. Liema must promote her songs, we understand. But how do you promote your songs while not tarnishing your brand? Because at this point, this is self-sabotage. This is so, Like, I feel so bad. I've been watching this on Monday. I'm like, I'm gonna record, but I didn't have the power. And today I was like, no, this is enough, guys. This is enough. And I'm happy to see that some people, they did enjoy her performance and they feel like she was done so dirty. I don't know by who, but whoever made those decisions need to go back and go back to the drawing board. Like, Liema, this is who you are. What can we do to make sure that you succeed in this industry? I'm telling you, till now, I'm saying the fault is at the management. Whoever is managing Liema is doing Liema dirty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next upload. And guess what? We are back, baby. We are back.